before learning tools, we first need clarity, right? So today what we are going to discuss. What is DevOps? Why DevOps? Understanding DevOps using school exams, day-to-day activities of DevOps engineer. A lot of people have been confusion here only. So what a DevOps engineer will do in real time. And DevOps teams and DevOps pipeline and DevOps process, real-time software development lifecycle. Everything I'm going to let you know today. So at the end of this session, you can understand completely what is DevOps, why DevOps, and if you complete this course, how much package you'll get it, everything you'll know. Okay. Let's move to the topic. Many people think DevOps is just like a tool, like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, something like that. You know, one thing that is not single tool. Of course, Jenkins will be there, Docker will be, but not only that single tool. So combination of two means multiple tools combination together, we can call it as the DevOps. So different tools will be there, like Git, GitHub, Maven, Tomcat, Jenkins, Docker, Dockerswarm, Ansible, Nagios, Kubernetes, Prometheus, Grafana, like a lot of tools will be there. Combination of tools together, we can call it as a DevOps. Okay, this is exactly what is happening in IT. If when developers and operations team don't talk to each other and don't communicate each other and don't collaborate each other, what will happen? So this kind of errors will occur. So before DevOps, like that only it happened. It means before DevOps, what happened? Developers they're writing code, and you know one thing, they're maintaining means to work particular that code. So whatever required versions, dependencies, plugins, everything they're installing their system, but that information they are not giving to operations team. With that, what will happen? Operations team when they are trying to deploy, they'll get errors, dependencies errors or different kind of errors. Whatever they'll get different kind of errors. But developer team they will not support to operations team properly. Because of that, obviously conflicts will be there, a lot of issues will be there. So to avoid that, DevOps came to the picture. With that, what will happen? Using DevOps, what will happen? Automation occurred. Okay, all tools communicate means proper communication is there for different tools and different teams, and proper collaboration is there. In collaboration and cooperation, support is there between different teams like a developer team as well as operation team. With that, very quickly they're going to release the software market on time. Okay, if you don't have proper communication between different teams like a developer team, operation team, obviously there will be a lot of conflicts there. To avoid that, DevOps came to the picture. So DevOps solves this communication gap using automation and collaboration. But of course, in coming slides, you can understand in detail about it. What is what? How it is resolving it? How it is fixing it? How software quickly it is going to release market on time? So you'll understand everything. Got it?